Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to outline an image in Canva. Outlining an image can help it stand out, especially when you're working on designs like product graphics, social media posts, or promotional materials. It's a great way to add emphasis and make sure your images catch the viewer's attention. So let's dive in. Start by uploading your own image. You can do this by going to Photos and choosing an image from Canva's library, or if you have your own image saved, simply drag it onto the canvas. Once you've selected your image, click on it, and then click on Background Remove. This will remove any background, allowing you to focus only on the subject of the image. To make the outline easier to see, we'll change the background temporarily. Set the image's background to something that contrasts with the image so the outline stands out better. A darker or lighter background, depending on your image, will make the outline more prominent. This will help you see the changes more clearly as you work. Now, to enhance the image, click on it and then go to Edit. Next, click on Shadows under the Effects menu, and then click on Outline. This feature will automatically apply a shadow effect around your image, but we'll adjust it to give you a crisp outline. Initially, the image will have a black outline, which is great for contrast, but you can easily change it. Simply adjust the color to white or any color of your choice, depending on your design's color scheme. You can use a color that complements your brand's palette, or go for a high contrast color to make the image pop, especially for marketing materials or social media posts. You can also adjust the size of the outline to make it thinner or thicker, depending on the look you're going for. Thicker outlines work well for making images stand out more dramatically, while thinner outlines can give a more subtle effect. If you want the outline to be more subtle, you can adjust the intensity, which essentially makes the outline more transparent, giving it a softer look. Of course, you can change the color of the outline to whatever you want, and this flexibility gives you a lot of creative freedom. For example, if you're designing a product image for your Shopify store, you might choose a color that matches your branding or use a contrasting color that grabs attention. So, that is how to outline an image in Canva. It's a quick and simple way to add a professional touch to your images, whether you're creating content for your store, social media, or presentations. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.